Now that we have discussed the mesh tree, we have to discuss the wow of searching the health databases, the explode. It is something that we really hate in reality, the explosion, and the side effects that it comes with it, wars, diseases, pandemics. But in the medical databases, the explode is the wow. Why is it the wow? Do you recall the mesh tree? If I decided to explode cardiovascular diseases, I will be taking by default all the articles that are talking about, since it's a mesh, cardiovascular disease or heart diseases, heart arrest, endocarditis, myocardial ischemia, cerebrovascular disorders, stroke, so on and so forth, without me keying in and selecting each and every mesh. Imagine that. Imagine if you explode neoplasm, you wouldn't even bother to go into leukemia, breast cancer, prostate, any type of lung cancer, etc. You don't have to indulge in doing this yourself. It will take it for you. Medline has the ability, with the wow feature, which is the explode, to give you all the articles that are talking about the broad mesh and anything narrower to it. It is there to increase your search, for you to select the broad mesh and or it with the narrower mesh, talking about and not just mentioning. So let us put this in terms of Instagram again. My father is the broadest mesh. Why isn't this writing? He happens to have 10 Instagram followers. This is level 1 of the mesh tree. Level 2, which is more indented, is myself. And I happen to have 100 articles that are talking about me, in this case, Instagram followers. Level number 3, which is even further more indented, is my daughter, and she has 200 Instagram followers. People get to confuse this number for being the summation of this mesh and everything narrower to it. No. Each number next to the mesh is only the articles that are talking about this specific mesh in particular. Let's get this straightened out from the very beginning. So if I decided to explode my father, I'm gonna be taking all his Instagram followers and mine and Leia's. So I'm gonna be ending up with, rather than instead of 10 Instagram followers, 310 Instagram followers. If we put it into medical terminology, I'm gonna be ordering all the articles that are talking about the broad mesh, mesh number 1, or talking about the narrower mesh, mesh number 2, or the narrowest mesh, mesh number 3, all together, ordered, without me coming and selecting each and every mesh. Now this is a small tree, but imagine if this is done over a huge tree like that of cancer or neoplasm. So that's the wow feature of the medical databases. Use it to increase your search.